18. A farmer uses a lever to move a large rock. The force required to move the rock varies inversely with the distance from the pivot point to the point the force is applied. Alright, so this is a lot of physics stuff. We really don't need to know any of this. They're just giving us context. So these are all things that can distract us, but let's continue focusing on what we're doing. The force of 50 pounds applied to the lever 36 inches. Okay, so they give us two clues. A force of 50 applied to the lever 36 inches from the pivot point of the lever will move the rock. Which function models the relation between F, the amount of force applied to the lever, and D, the distance of the applied force from the pivot point? So they give us a situation, and then they give us four equations. Let's first make sure we know what each of these things, what all these variables stand for. F, they say, is the amount of force. So I'm just going to call that force. D stands for the distance of applied force. So D is the distance. So the other two clues they told me was that the actual situation is we're going to have a force of 50 pounds. So that's your first clue. F equals 50. And that's applied to the lever 36 inches from the lever. Okay, so the distance is 36 inches. Great, so we know what F is, we know what D is, and they tell us which of these equations match. So essentially, we're plugging these values into the equation to see which one gives us a true statement. So let's try F. So F says D equals F divided by 1800. All right, if I plug in my clues, I know that F is supposed to be 50, D is supposed to be 36, so let's plug that in. So D is 36 equals 50 divided by 1800. So we know this is a true solution if, when I clean all this up, the left side, which is 36, equals the right side. Let's try it. In your calculator, do 50 divided by 1800. I get 0.02. So 36 equals 0.02. Is that true? Nope, that's not a true statement, so the answer cannot be F. Alright, so let's try G then. G says D equals 86 divided by F. We're going to see if our clues fit in. Same thing, take your clues, 36, plug it in for D. F is 50, plug it in for F. So we have 36 equals 86 divided by 50. So let's do 86 divided by 50. We have 1.72. So 36 equals 1.72. Not true. So because that's not true, that's not the right answer. Let's try H. F equals 1800 divided by D. So 50 is F. 1800 divided by 36. So 1800 divided by 36, we get 50. 50 equals 50. There's our true statement. So because this is true, that means that this is the equation we wanted to get. But let's just double check J just to make sure. F equals D divided by 86. Plug in your clues. 50 equals 36 divided by 86. 36 divided by 86 gives us a decimal, so 50 does not equal this, so the answer is H.